Well, Arsenal fans, welcome to the video. We got some breaking news, guys. Breaking. Vinicius Jr. signed a new contract at Real Madrid until June 2032. 6 year contract confirmed. Arsenal fans, did you guys not tell us that like the Arteta pool is so great, we're getting Vinicius Jr. We're taking the Real Madrid superstar just to get used for contract negotiations. Nah, that's insane. That's such a that's such an Arsenal thing. Like, guys, Vinicius Jr. really played like Rock Nation, the people that represents Vinny. They played this contract so well. They got the negotiations higher because they told Arsenal, no, Arsenal, we definitely gonna consider your contract. Like, we probably gonna sign for you. Make us a big offer. And then Arsenal Arsenal obviously fell into the hole and be like, yeah, Vinny, please, we can give you anything that you want, 100% image rights, everything. And then that just gets sent to Real Madrid. Real Madrid is like, okay, let us finally up our our contract. And then he eventually signs a 6 year deal. Like, that's so sad. A 6 year deal. Like, it could have at least been a 3 year. Vinny, you don't have a heart, dude. Like, bro, like the Arsenal fans are refreshing all the time, refreshing just to get the 6 year contract confirmed. Damn, that must sting. So, guys, Vinny officially signs for a new contract, a 6 year deal at Real Madrid. And yeah, the Arsenal fans, we've heard like for the last week or two of how Vinny's going to join and how he's going to be the biggest signing in Premier League history. Like, wada. Shut your ass up, man. Like, they deserve this. They deserve this. And obviously, okay, I made a separate video on Bruno Guimaraes signing for Arsenal and now that's a good deal, but this would have been something else. So yeah, I'm just so glad and I'm kind of relieved because honestly, let me just take the banter away now. If Arsenal got Vinny Jr., it would have been over. Like we would have heard about it until I don't know forever. And obviously Arsenal would have probably eased to win the league and probably would have even win the Champions League. I mean Vinny's a Champions League player. Liverpool fans, we know how it feels to play against him. So yeah, I'm just relieved that he's not going to them. And you know what? Like fair play to Arsenal. As much as we are gonna banter, we definitely have to banter Arsenal like I am right now. But if you look at it realistically, guys, Arsenal they went for the big fish. They threw that hook into the ocean and went for the biggest fish probably on the market. And he probably would have been probably the best or the biggest Premier League signing ever. Most likely. I mean, a Real Madrid superstar signing for Arsenal. It would have been insane. So fair play to Arsenal for trying for, for going for such a big player, such a superstar. That shows their ambition and that just shows their intentions. So we don't know what Arsenal's gonna do next. If they have a plan B, if they're gonna go for, I'm not sure who, but there's plenty of wingers out on the market. I'm sure they're probably gonna go for someone good. So fair play to Arsenal. Arsenal fans, you guys are showing ambition and you trying to create a dynasty, which is scary for us because and Andoni Iraola just got hired for Liverpool. So Man City just hired Enzo Maresca. So your biggest rivals. I'm going so because I don't know if Liverpool is anymore like title contenders, but like the big teams all have new managers. United, I guess if they're a big team, Michael Carrick, Xabi Alonso to Chelsea, like yeah, the Premier League is kind of cooked right now, unless Enzo and Andoni can hit the ground running, which they probably could. But we will see how the rest of the transfer market goes. But yeah, back to this Vinny Arsenal thing. We just relieved, and yeah, Arsenal just pipe down a bit because let me actually look at these comments, guys. Like the comments are always the best. Vinny senior to Arsenal. Here we go. It's Robbie from AFTV. Arsenal fans refreshing that only to get that's exactly what I said. Arsenal fans realizing Vini used him to secure bigger Real Madrid contract. Exactly. Arsenal fans just pipe down. Pipe down. Funny when Arsenal called him, it hurts when you're always doing your best and then you hear that you might be going to. The Arsenal fans really thought they had a chance. Exactly. Exactly. Look here now. When only a club with UCL was interested in signing a new contract. Yeah, guys, I'm just relieved that Vinny rejected Arsenal. Vinny rejected Arsenal. Vinny rejected Arsenal. Arsenal fans, if you can hear that, just get used to that. But we'll see what the rest of the transfer market brings. But let me know in the comments what you guys think about the situation. Make sure to like the video if you guys enjoy this content. And yeah, make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one.